Skoda.
Skoda.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Oh, he's recording.
so you are listening.
Yes.
Okay. So Nain Bonifacio, good morning again.
Okay.
Okay, so this is another way how to solve quadratic equation in one variable wherein a is greater than 1. Okay, so before we solve quadratic equation by extracting square roots, completing the square, factoring, and quadratic formula. Now, we are not going to use the quadratic formula or just simply the what you call this trial and error method. But I will just simply rename this 3x squared here into x squared so that our a becomes 1. Okay? Okay, so this is the process how to solve this quadratic equation wherein a is greater than 1. So you multiply 3 times negative 5. Your equation now becomes x squared. So you remove the 3 there, copy 14x, so plus 14x. 3 times negative 5 is equal to negative 15, equal to 0. Okay, what are the factors of negative 15 so that when you add, the sum is positive 14? So this is now your factoring where a is equal to 1. Okay, so what are the factors? X and then x. What are the factors of negative 15 so that when added the sum is positive 14? Answer? Positive 15 and positive 15 and negative 1. Okay, now you will bring back now the 3. Okay, I will change the color of 3. So this 3, you need this now here. Divide the 15 by 3, the same with negative 1. Okay? So reduce this now. This becomes x plus 5 times x minus 1/3 is equal to 0. Okay, equating its factor equal to 0, x plus 5 equal to 0, then x minus 1/3 is equal to 0. Okay, so that is applying zero product property of real numbers. If the product of these two expressions is equal to 0, then one of these two is equal to 0 or both factor are each equal to 0. So we can equate this factor equal to 0. So what is x now? X is equal to negative 5. The other side, x is equal to 1/3. So this is now the value of your x using this method. Okay, so no need for you to use trial and error method or quadratic formula once the quadratic trinomial is factorable. Next, so if you are going to use that method, what is the first step? Multiply 2 with negative 12. So I will change the color of this to blue. Okay, so what is now your new equation? What is now your new equation? X squared plus 5x minus 24 equal to 0. Okay, so this is now simple quadratic equation because your a is equal to 1. Okay, your A is equal to 1. If A is equal to 1, then just simply factor the last term, wherein the sum of their factors is equal to the coefficient of your linear term. Okay? What are the factors of negative 24 so that when added, the sum is positive 5? Jacob?
Positive 8 and negative 3.
Okay, positive 8 and negative 3. So x plus 8, x minus 3 equal to 0. Now, we are now in this part. So what will you do with 8 and negative 3? Okay, so divide by 2. So that is now equal to, simplify 8 over 2. So that is now x plus 4. How about x minus 3 over 2? 3 over 2 is already simplified. So, x minus 3 over 2 equal to 0. Okay, so apply now the zero product property. X plus 4 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to, what is now the value of x?
Negative 4.
Negative 4. X minus 3 over 2 equal to 0. X is equal to
3 over 2.
positive
3 over 2.
So, these are now the solution of the quadratic equation 2x squared plus 5x minus 12. Okay, so any questions?
None.
So, if you already know this, do you think you need to use the quadratic formula? No need. Okay, once the quadratic equation is factorable. Okay,